The maritime environment is hard. Building things that have to survive in a maritime environment is hard.
On the surface, you've got huge waves. You're just getting pounded by all the elements.
The scale and nature of warfare is completely changing, and there are only a few domains left to compete.
Maritime surface is really like the last domain for proliferating unmanned systems.
The maritime domain is not for startups. What BlackSea has learned that it takes decades of experience to build reliable platforms for this domain, which is arguably harsher than operating in space.
BlackSea, a lot of people don't know because it's a new name, but the company's been around for 40 years. The knowledge base that's inside the company is a really big differentiator versus the startups.
One of the great things about BlackSea is that it's located right on the waterfront in Baltimore, but underneath that roof we have folks expert in design, naval architecture, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, software engineers, full manufacturing capability in order to be able to take a prototype, get it on the water and test it, and then also a production facility that allows us to do high rate.
At BlackSea, in the last few years, we've really focused heavily on the GARC unmanned surface vessel. That's been one of our main products and drivers to meet the needs of a very demanding customer with a very demanding timeline. We were able to meet that timeline and deliver to the Navy everything on time and functioning.
We settled out on production rates right around 32 boats per month to get to about 300 boats in a year or so. And I'm pleased to say that we were able to achieve those production rates and we were able to exceed it.
BlackSea really is able to move quickly and provide the warfighters what they want. For GARC alone, we've got more than 15,000 hours of operating time. If you look at all of our USVs combined that we've done over the years, it's well over 25,000 hours. The real differentiation in BlackSea is that we're thinking about the whole mission. We're thinking about not just the platforms, we're thinking about the capabilities, delivering whole systems to the warfighter. At the end of the day, our platform is the modular open platform, modular payloads, modular autonomy. We've integrated almost a dozen different autonomy packages and probably 24 different payload packages.
A lot of folks know BlackSea based on the GARC, but the reality is we have multiple product lines in play and we're constantly evolving on new ones. We did the towed airborne lift of naval systems for DARPA. We're doing a contested logistics fueling barge, 184,000 gallons of fuel to distribute in hard to reach places. We've got the night train USV for contested logistics, and every day we continue to evolve and introduce new capabilities focused on the maritime domain.
The maritime industrial base is not used to running at scale, it's not used to running at speed. I look forward to BlackSea continuing to fill that gap.
BlackSea is a leader in contractor-owned, contractor-operated use of USVs. We're the only maritime USV company that has that full end-to-end sustainment model in play to date. We have the former warfighters that are helping take our technology, deliver it, take the lessons learned, and feed it back to our engineers. And that helps us create a virtuous cycle to introduce new technologies and capabilities and improve the ones that we already have to date.
We are fluent in all military vernacular. The majority of our team is veterans themselves. We typically will engage directly with them and then we'll collaborate with them to identify how the technology that BlackSea makes can contribute to that to get them to where they want to be and accomplish what they want to accomplish.
We have a group of capable BlackSea technicians that can go out and give on-site training.
We help them with mission planning, with the briefing of the mission, with the execution, and then coming back, gathering the data and debriefing it to get better for the next time. And we're learning a lot along the way.
We have a lot of empathy for the complexity of the battlefield that they're operating in. We've walked in their same shoes, and we customize the support to whatever they need.
Unmanned systems are really addressing multiple things that are in need for the Department of War right now. There's shortfalls in manning, there's a cost element, and it's really about who can put the most number of things out there cheapest and that are effective.
It is incredibly satisfying for me to feel like I made a difference in the lives of the squadron that we work with. If we can have more sailors come home because one of our boats went around to see what's around the corner instead of a team of sailors, we've done our job.